Good morning. So look who is back. It's Ringo. Oh, I'm just so pleased to see him. He looks really healthy. God knows where he's been for the last 9 days, I think it is. But at least it's nice to know he's now back. But yet he hasn't mastered the picking up of the chicken. Jimmy needs to give him some lessons. Daphne then turns up and Norman is in the window. Pip then arrives. And here we have Pip and Chip Chip. And Daphne comes over to join them as well. Chip Chip is eating and Pip is up on the wall. You can just see his shadow there, and he walks along the wall and then he does jump down and joins Chip Chip. Monty arrives. I say it's Monty, but it could be the other one. I really don't know at this stage. Howie then comes over and Monty, or the other hedgehog, is still there. Howie is around for a while eating, which is nice to see as always. Monty, or the other one, is back again. I do think this one is Monty though. Daphne arrives, and if you notice there are 3 food bowls out there at the moment. One bowl has already disappeared and now she takes the second one. And the hedgehog is back again. Howie then comes back again. But he can't get to the one bowl that is left. Daphne is back again, and I had already been outside and put that bowl back in the garden as it was just outside the garden. And she's back again. Please don't take the last bowl. Will she or won't she? This is the question. Thankfully, she doesn't take it. Jimmy, as usual, is back when it's nearly light, and Monty, or the other hedgehog, is still there. Thanks, Jimmy. And here we have the clean-up crew. There are 4 seagulls here at the moment, but the 4 seagulls, all of a sudden, turns into 6 seagulls. 2 more have landed. And lastly, we have Maggie, the magpie. So we've been shopping, we've just come in, the 2 cats are here, and the telly's on. The remote is in there, so the cats won't have trod on it to turn it on. Really spooky as to why is the TV on where it hasn't been on for days. Anyway, it's one of those things. But I went shopping and I've stocked up on you know what. So my lunch today is a ham and cream cheese or Philadelphia cheese sandwich with sour cream and chive tuck biscuits with, again, Philadelphia on, and I've got 2 scones that have just got my margarine in, and I'm having a cup of coffee to go with it because I am kind of hungry today. Okay, so I haven't seen Cybil all day. The nuts have gone from the plate and I've just come back in and there she is. Good girl. Do you want another one as well? Want to take a second one? Do you want this one? It's okay. There she goes. So today's dinner is egg and bacon. So fried egg on toast, bacon, fried tomatoes and fried mushrooms. And a cup of tea each. Just sat here editing my videos. There is a van obviously parked outside, and I have put some food down ready there, and that seagull knows it's there, so he's calling the others, because if it's still daylight they will come and eat it. So they haven't been over yet because I've been sat here. Talk about noisy. So I'm still sat here editing my videos, and Jimmy has just come literally up to the door. You can see it's still light. Here we go, mate. I wonder if he'll come any closer. Maybe. Hang on. There we go. Just for you. All right? Boy. And as usual, he's eating the sandwich first. Anyway, when you see your sister, can you ask where my bowl is, please? Yeah, 3. 3 in total she's stolen now. Oh, you had enough there then? So Jimmy has come back literally, I don't know, a minute later. Here we go then. 1 and 2. 2 enough? Go on, cock your leg, thanks. Do you want another one, Jim? Jim? Do you want another one? Thought you might. Here we are then. Good boy. See you soon. So it's been about 3 minutes. And look who's back. Here. There we go. The plate's even still out there. Good boy. And off he goes. It's been about 4 minutes, 5 minutes maybe, and look. Here he comes again. Come on, you little monkey. 1 and 2. Come on, it's okay. It's okay. Come on, Jim.